Let's review. Mathematics. A recipe for custard requires 4 eggs for every 8 cups of flour. The baker has 32 cups of flour, and so the baker will need eggs. A. 8. B. 12. C. 24. D. 16. To solve this, we will use the ratio and proportion equation. A ratio and proportion is an equation in which 2 ratios are set equal to each other. Let's first identify the known and unknown. We know that the custard recipe requires 4 eggs and 8 cups of flour. And the baker has available of 32 cups of flour. And we will find how many eggs must the baker have. Step 2 is to plug the values into the ratio and proportion equation. Let A be the given number of eggs. Let C be the given number of flour. Let D be the baker's available flour. And let B the number of eggs the baker must have to cook the custard. Again, the unknown is B. We will plug the values. Finally, let's solve the proportion. 4 times 32 equals B times 8. 128 equals 8B. To get the B, divide 128 by 8. The answer is 16. The baker needs 16 eggs to cook the custard. Follow our social media to get more updates and install our Let's Review app to practice.